Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm back with another unboxing video for my home theater PC build. This time it is of the Cooler Master Seidon 120XL liquid CPU cooler. This is a closed loop cooler. You may see it referred to as CLC for closed loop cooler. And this features dual 120 millimeter fans and a 38 millimeter aluminum radiator. Cooler Master is building this system to break into the liquid cooling market a little bit more, and this is one of the few coolers or liquid or closed loop liquid coolers on the market that actually features a custom design instead of more off-the-shelf parts that other companies may be using. The pump and block are all designed by Cooler Master, including the radiator. So we'll go ahead and get this open. In the box, you'll basically find three or four things. You'll find both of the 120 millimeter fans that will go on the radiator for the system, and you also find installation instructions and warranty information, as always. You'll also find the mounting hardware, which this cooler will work for both AMD and Intel processors. So you'll have backplates and brackets for both systems with this cooler. And of course, we have the cooler itself. So here we have both the radiator and the block. And this cooler is actually not very heavy at all for something that is this size. It's not bad at all. So you have an aluminum block for the CPU cooler, and then it has an integrated water pump in it. It also has a blue LED on here, which is an indicator light to let you know that the pump is working. And then we have the 38 millimeter aluminum radiator. I'm gonna try not to damage this before I even get to use it. So once we have this, go ahead and get this set up. I'm not sure if I will have hard cooling numbers on it. I don't really have anything to compare it to. I don't plan on taking parts off of this system once it's built. But once it is put together, then I will definitely be able to get you guys some numbers on how well it is cooling the i7-4770 Haswell processor. So if you guys have any questions about this cooler, let me know. One of the other things that I'm going with is Cooler Master also gives you some thermal paste or thermal grease that comes in the packaging with it. I'm not using that, just gonna toss that out. Instead, I ended up going with a new tube of Arctic MX2 thermal compound. Main reason I went with this is that this is carbon based, not silver or silicon based like some of the other thermal paste or thermal grease products that are out there. So this will not conduct electricity. It will not break down over time the same way that the silver or silicon-based thermal products will. So this should actually provide a little bit better cooling or heat transfer over Arctic Silver 5. But this should definitely do a good job of helping to keep my system as cool as possible. So if you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have anything else, let me know.